Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel which is Smart English Learning with Sushma Ruhal. In this video, we will discuss about the syllabus which is revised paper pattern with a 30% reduction in syllabus for the session 2021. Earlier, the CBSE spoke and give the notification about the change in paper pattern only, but no deduction was given to us. But this time in July month they have cleared it that there will be deduction of a 30% syllabus. Okay, so 9 to 12th class there is deduction of 30% syllabus in your syllabus. And secondly, paper pattern is utterly changed, means totally the paper pattern is changed here. So let's see what will be the change in your syllabus and your paper pattern. If you want to watch the rest of the videos about grammar, literature and writing section, so you should subscribe the channel, go to the playlist and select your desirous video. Let's come about the 11th class paper pattern, marking scheme, as well as the questions, how the questions will come there. So the very first you can see on the screen there that your paper name is English core and code is 301, right? The code is there 301, and reading comprehension will come in 26 marks this time, right? Creative English writing will come in 24 marks, as well as grammar also. Means writing section and grammar will come in 24 marks. Next is literature. Literature will come in 30 marks. Like this 80 marks paper will be given to you. And next 20 marks will be for internal assessment. For this your listening and speaking skill will be taken, right? So let's see now. First, focus on the things which are deleted from your syllabus. So which are deleted? Let's come first on writing section. So writing section, classified advertisements are deleted from the syllabus. Okay, next, letters to editor are deleted from the syllabus, as well as application for a job, means job application and resume, job application and biodata or CV is deleted from the syllabus. Article and report writing also deleted from the syllabus. Okay, and any of the incident narrated, that is also deleted from the syllabus, right? Next, in grammar, what is deleted here? In grammar part, modas are deleted, clauses, change of voice, error correction, miss error editing, missing words, those are deleted from your syllabus, right? Next is literature part from Hornbill. One poem was their father to son. This was your last poem of the book. So this poem is also deleted from the syllabus. And fourth chapter was given the adventure. So this is also deleted from your syllabus. Next is the snapshots. From snapshots, sixth chapter is the Ghat of the Only World is also deleted from the syllabus. And the Tale of Melon City also. This is 8th chapter of your snapshot book. This is also deleted. So this is your deleted syllabus. Whatever the item is deleted, this is 30% syllabus that is deleted from your syllabus class 11. Now, which is your book? Hornbill and Snapshots. Everybody knows it very well that how many books are there. Basically, two books are given there, Hornbill and Snapshot. Let's come now how the paper will be there, what will be the first question, and how the questions will be asked there with the marking scheme. So what is given here? MCQs, multiple choice questions will be asked on the basis of unseen passes. Unseen passes will be given to you, and 10 out of 11 questions you have to give here answer. Means out of 11 questions you will give reply of a 10 question, and in which MCQs will be here. Vocabulary based question will be asked to you, or they can ask you meaning of any of the word also, right? So it will come in 10 marks, 1 mark each question. Next is their multiple choice question once again, and it will be case based factual passes. It will be case based factual passes, and it like a statistical data will be there, charts will be given to you, on the basis of which some questions will be asked to you. Out of 9 you have to give answer of any 8 questions, so each question carries 1 mark here, right? And both of the passages word limitation will be 600 to 750 words. This is very good thing, right? Earlier it was coming in the thousands words, but this year two passages are coming in 600 to 750 words, right? Next, grammar part, what will come here? we have already come to know what is deleted from the syllabus, but we should also come to know now what will come in your paper. So what will come here now in the grammar, gap filling will be given here. Gap filling means one passage will be given to you, and four options also appear before you. Out of four options, you have to fill gap here on the basis of determiners and tenses. So two topics are given here. For gap filling, you have to fill your gaps on the basis of tenses and determiners. So you make sure that you have done determiners and tenses very well, on the basis of which your what will come, your gap filling will come, and it will be in 4 marks, right? Next, MCQs questions will be given to you in a reordering or transformation of sentences. Means how to frame a sentence, how to make the sentence in the meaningful order. So it will also give you in the MCQs way. In the MCQs ways means like 3 or 4 options will be given to you. You have to select which one is the best option. Okay, so MCQs type of questions will be given to you. You have to reordering the sentence here, right? So like this, what will be there? Total 8 questions to be done out of 10 given, right? Means one extra question will be asked here. You have to give answer of any 4. Here also 5 questions will be given to you. You have to give answer any of 4 questions here. Like this 4 marks question, this one 4 marks question, second one, and like this 4 plus 4, 8 marks question will be given to you from the grammar part. Next is the turn of literature. In literature, it will be in 14 marks. How it will come in 14 marks? Let's see. Just only this part is of 14 marks. Rest will also come there. Just wait. So MCQs questions will come, and it will be on the basis of extract from the poetry section of Hornbill. Like how many poems are given there in Hornbill? Out of all the poems, extract will be given to you, and out of 2 extract you have to choose best one, and then give the answer of 3 questions asked in the same extract. Extract means here poetry, some lines will be given to you from the poem, and out of 2 poems you have to just select which one is strong, means in which poem are you strong, then you have to select those lines, and under those extract lines some questions will be asked. You have to give answer of those questions. So you can select any one poetry extract and then give the answer of all 3 questions, right? Next is given MCQs questions will come from the prose section of. Now the extract will come from the prose section. This is from the poetry section of Hornbill, but now Hornbill as well as a snapshot, one extract will from Hornbill and snapshot. What will there? 2 prose extract will come. One from Hornbill, second from snapshots. So 2 prose extract will be given to you out of the 3 given from prose. Means 3. What will be there? MCQ's question based on 2 prose extract out of the 3 given. Means 3 prose will be given to you. Out of 3, you have to select any 2, and from those 2 extract, you have to give answer of those 6 questions. Right? So it will be of 6 marks, 1 mark each. Means here the prose is of 3 marks. One poetry, one extract will come from poetry section, 3 marks each. So one you have to do that. Next is there 3 extract will be given to you from the chapters of Hornbill and snapshot. Then out of 3 extract, select best 2 about which you want to give the reply, and then out of 2, 3 marks 1, 3 marks second. So like this 6 marks question will be this one, right? Next is given text based MCQs questions to assess comprehension, and here prose and poetry section. From prose and poetry means out of poems and chapters, 5 questions answer you have to give out of 6 questions. So this is your Hornbill book. From the Hornbill book, you have to give the answer of poetry and prose section, and 5 questions you have to write out of 6 questions, right? Next is given here reading section, not making or summarizing based passes, and it will come in 8 marks. So 5 marks not making summary, in which a title will be of 1 mark. 1 mark for numbering means like giving bullet or numbering 1 2 3 4 like this. So that writing way 1 mark. 1 mark for key of abbreviation. 2 marks for notes making, and like this it will be of 5 marks, and 3 marks Summary will be of 3 marks, 1 mark content, okay, 1 mark expression, or you can say grammar. So content will consider 2 marks here, sorry. Content will take 2 marks and expression will take 1 mark. Like this, it will be of 3 marks. Now come to the questions there. So how the questions will be there now? Short writing text, like writing section. Notice will come in 50 marks. So out of 2, you have to write 1 notice. It will be of 3 marks, 1 mark format, 1 mark content, and 1 mark for expression. Right? Next will be given to you short writing poster, design a poster. You have to draw a best poster according to you on the factual based topics or data, and it will be of 50 words, and again 1 mark format, 1 mark content, 1 mark expression, right? Earlier it was coming in 4 mark, but this year it is coming in 3 marks, right? 3 marks notice, 3 marks design poster. Next question will be of writing letters. So what kind of letters will come? Inquiry letter, complaint letter, okay, placing an order letter will come, as well as its reply also, will come. And letter like based on the school or colleges issues, authorities regarding admissions, school issues, some requirement, suitabilities of course, etc. So these topics, whatever you are facing in your student life, about that they will ask you the letter writing. So 1 out of 2 means 2 letters will be asked to you. Out of 2, you have to give answer of any one, and this year it will come in 5 marks, right? 5 marks, 1 mark format, 1 mark 2 mark content, and 2 mark expression. So in expression, your grammar part also included there. Next question, writing section. So what will be your speech or debate writing? So 1 speech, 1 debate will be given to you. Out of 2, you have to give answer of any one, and this will come only in 5 marks, right? So 1 mark format, 2 marks content, and 2 marks expression. And in expression, again, your grammar mistake marks also be deducted in this part there, right? And next is given here, again, 2 short question, 2 short answer type questions, 1 from prose, 1 from poetry. Means 1 question you have to attempt from the chapters, 1 question you have to attempt from the poetry, and poetry and prose is of a Hornbill book. So means to say 1 out of 4 you have to attempt, and like this you have to write, you have to give answer for 2 questions here. 2 questions, so 2 marks each. Like this, what will there? 2 marks question, 2 mark each. So what will be there? 4 marks. 4 marks question will be this one. Next question 7, from snapshot. Once again the same will happen. Means here 2 questions will be given to you. Out of 2, you have to attempt any one question of 2 marks. Next 8th question, prose and poetry of Hornbill. Now the turn is of long question. One long question will be from poetry section, and 1 long question will be from the chapters of Hornbill. So choice will be given to you. You can select any one question of either of prose section or from poetry section. So 5 marks question like this you have to write. Means 1 long question you have to write. Choice will be given to you in poetry and prose in Hornbill. But in snapshots, out of 2 question you have to select any one. Okay, in snapshot means out of chapters, because poetry section is not given in snapshots. Poetry section is given only and only in Hornbill. So 1 question from poetry, 1 from prose. Like this choice will be given to you. You have to select any one. And here snapshots, 2 chapters or 2 questions will be given to you, and out of 2 you can select any one. So I guess whatever I spoke to you, this is clear to you, how the paper pattern will be there, how the marking scheme will be there, right? And how to attempt the paper also, and what is the 30% deduction in your syllabus. I guess everybody is getting fabulously this one. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a marvelous day.